Hello America! Tom Hand here with Americana Corner. Today we're discussing Virginia's House of Burgesses. In 1619, the colony of Virginia created a General Assembly, which included 22 men called burgesses. These men had been elected by Virginia's eligible voters, making the House of Burgesses the first representative legislature in British America. It was here the leading men of Virginia met and debated the great issues of the day. Until the 1760s, the House of Burgesses largely determined how Virginia would be governed, including internal taxation policies. This began to change in 1765 when Parliament passed the Stamp Act, the first ever direct tax on the colonies. Patrick Henry, a member of the House of Burgesses, introduced the Virginia Resolves, which declared the act unconstitutional and inspired other colonies to do the same, leading to its repeal. In the years leading to our Revolution, as Parliament introduced more burdensome legislation, the House of Burgesses was at the forefront of American opposition and had an outsized influence on the founding of our great nation. In addition to Patrick Henry, its alumni include George Mason, who wrote Virginia's Declaration of Rights; Thomas Jefferson, our third president and the author of our Declaration of Independence; and George Washington, the father of our country. So why should the House of Burgesses matter to us today? Many of the men who first assembled there later assembled on the national stage to lead our country. Throughout our crisis with England, the House of Burgesses was an eloquent and vocal proponent for American liberty. And many of the ideas found in our Declaration of Independence and Constitution were first debated in their meetings. Until next time, may your love of country lead you.